Morning students, today we'll do further part of exercise 3.2. We were doing question number second, question number third of second we have done yesterday. Now from question number 4 we will do. So we have to check this figure and have to find these answers of these questions. So fourth question of this exercise is the point identified by the coordinates 2 minus 4. So we have to find the point, which is what is the name of point which is in the in the place of 2 minus 4. So check in the figure where is, since this is the in the form of x y, and in the place of x there is 2 and in the place of y there is minus 4. So in the place of x is 2, that means which is positive now. So we have to check where is the 2 which is positive. At this place 2 is positive in x direction, okay, and in the place of y there is minus 4, and where is minus 4 is there, that means in the place of y minus 4, in the y axis where is minus 4 there. So in this point and this point, which point is intersecting each other? At point G, that means 2 in the x axis and minus 4 in the y axis. So we have to give only the name of point. So G is the point. We have to give answer in one word only. In next question, that means fifth question, the abscissa of the point D. So for this we have to understand what is the abscissa. We have coordinates in this form of x and y, where x denotes the x axis number and y denotes the y axis number. So we say that this is the abscissa and this y axis number is ordinate. So if somewhere we have to find abscissa, then we have to say only the number which is in the place of x, and somewhere we have to find only ordinate, so we have to say only the number which is in the place of y. So in the question 5, the abscissa of point D, where is the point D? There. The coordinates of the point D is in the place of 6, which is positive. That means, so firstly we have to write coordinate of D equal to, so in the place of x what we have to put? In this x, D is in the place of the 6, so I have to write 6 there, and in the place of y, D is in the place of 2, so I have to write in the place of y 2. So this 6 is abscissa and this 2 is ordinate. In this question we have to find only abscissa, so you can say that the abscissa of the coordinate D is 6. Okay, therefore abscissa of point D equal to 6. Answer. Okay, similarly we can do question number 6. In question number 6 we have to find the ordinate of the point H. Where is the point H? There. So firstly we have to find the coordinate of the point H. So right there, coordinate of H equal to, what is the coordinate of H is there? X, that means firstly we have to plot the number of x. So x is in x axis, in there is minus 5, and in y axis there is minus 3. So coordinate of H is minus 5 and minus 3. Now already I told that this minus 5 is in the place of abscissa and minus 3 is in the place of ordinate. So what we have to find there? We have to find the ordinate of point H. Ordinate of point H is minus 3. Therefore ordinate of point H equal to minus 3, which is your answer. Okay. Now in question number 7, the coordinates of the point L. So what we have to find? We have to find the coordinates of point L. So L is in the place of where? There. L is there, na? So in x-axis, suppose that there is x-axis, then L is in the place of 0. L is in the place of x-axis 0, and in y-axis L is in the place of 5. So coordinates of L equal to, in the place of x we have to put 0, and in the place of y positive 5. That means 0 because of x-axis is in this origin, and in the y-axis there is 5 because in L is in the place of 5 in y-axis. Again we have to find in 8th question the coordinates of the point M. So where is the point M? At this place, and in this place x is in the place of -3 because in x dash there is -3, and y is in the place of, that means this line y is in the place of 0. So coordinates of M equal to, in the place of x there is -3, and in the place of y we have to put 0 because y is in the place of origin. In y-axis M is in the place of origin. Okay, that much for today. Do watch this video carefully, and if you face any difficulty to understand the concept of this topic, then get back to me. Okay, from tomorrow we will start the topic plotting a point in the plane when its Cartesian coordinates are given.